dear amigurumi lovers, welcome to my amigurumi tube channel. Today we are together with the second of our videos. In our first lesson I told you about yarn selection. Now I think you have the necessary information about yarn selection. It's time to learn how to choose a crochet hook. What kind of crochet should we use? I want to give you the answers to all the questions. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the follow button. Let's continue with our amigurumi training lessons. First of all, you should know that yarn selection and crochet selection are related to each other. For example, what kind of crochet hook should be used for a thick yarn? It can be a medium thickness crochet hook, but you may need to use thinner crochet for a detailed pattern. You may need crochet hooks of different thicknesses for different patterns of the pattern. For example, to make very thin hair, you need to use thin wool. You can use 2.5 mm crochet in a thick yarn. If you are going to knit with a thicker yarn, you can use 3.0 mm crochet. The numbers can sometimes confuse you. Try to do it. After a few tries, you will decide. All are measured in millimeter. You can decide by carefully looking at the millimeter. Crochet size start with 1.75, 1.8 and 1.9 millimeter crochet numbers. It continues in 0.1 millimeters increments. It ends with the thickest 50.0 millimeters crochet hook. You can also use small numbered crochet hooks for thin yarns. As the yarn thickness increases, your crochet number should increase. I use 2.0 millimeters crochet for thin yarns. I think that's enough. Again, 2.5 millimeters for medium thickness yarn, and for a slightly thicker yarn I use 3.0 millimeters crochet. If you are going to use a very thin yarn, you can also start training with 1.75 millimeters crochet hook. I'm going to show you some crochet hook examples that you shouldn't buy. As you see, suddenly the thickness is increasing. I want you not make this mistake I made. This type of crochet hook will make your loops very large, so knitting will not be tight. Please, when buy crochet hook, remember this. I try to explain the important points in choosing crochet hooks. After choosing the crochet hook, you can start the knitting phase. In our next lesson, I will talk about the basing times and their meanings. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the follow button to be notified of my next videos. Stay with love.